Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show how to create a SMM panel website in just 10 minutes. You don't need to be a developer, you just need to watch this full video and within 10 minutes you will be able to create our own SMM panel website. So you probably already know about what a SMM panel website is, so okay, let's start the video. So first of all we have to go cpanel. So first of all, we have to go cpanel, and I think you know about cpanel. Cpanel is mainly developer control panel. So if you need domain and hosting, you can easily buy from SiteGlider host. Okay. So first of all, we have to go cpanel and then click on File Manager. Then click then open public underscore HTML, then upload a file and wait. Upload the well known .zip file. Okay, just wait a minute or second. Now where can you get the file? Simply just like this video and subscribe the channel, then contact the WhatsApp number mentioned in pin comment and we provide the script. So now click the back, okay, and press the reload button and extract that file. Okay, extract file, and then our file was extracted. Okay, this complete. Now we have to go database, manage my database. Now we have create a database. So click on manage my database and type the database name, uh, any name if you want. So I'm typing main and create database, and you have to copy the name, like my database name is SMM Jubai underscore main. Okay, copy, then go back, paste the password section, paste it and type again main. Okay, now simply create on user, not now. Okay, then go back. Okay, so create add and select all permission, make sure select all permission and make change. Okay, our database was completely complete. So now we upload a SQL file in my database. So click on phpMyAdmin, click on phpMyAdmin, then this is select database and import and choose file and choose this SQL file. So if you need this SMM panel script, just contact us. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, done. And now we have changed the database name and the site name in the script. Okay, so now we have to put click app section and edit the config.php, select the config.php file and then press edit button, edit, then change the database name, change user, change password. Okay, done. So now we have changed the domain link. So just copy the domain and change the domain name, and then save change. Okay, now our SM panel website is fully completely done. So now reload our domain, and I think, yeah, it's worked. This is our SM panel website. It's completely done. Okay, now you get admin details in admin section in phpMyAdmin, and press edit button and change your password, anything if you want, like my password is that. Okay, and then select password has PHP extension. Okay, then click go. Yeah, completely our password and username is completely done. And yeah, then if you go the admin section, go /admin, enter, put in the username. My username is that rdxsmm. If you want, just edit the username or password. So, and my password is, then log in my admin panel. Not now. Okay, this is my admin panel. Yeah, completely done. And wait, I want to show our site. Yeah, our SM panel website is completely done. And okay, so if you need make a SM panel website, just message me. We wanna teach you how to make site, and we want to develop your site. And this is the admin panel, and here is the every settings, like set a logo, set name, customize logo, run on maintenance mode, payment gateway section, and everything.